Ongqongqoshe badalule izinhlelo ezizokwenziwa onyakeni wezemali u2023-2024 baphinde baveza nokuthi inani lemali elabelwe iminyango yabo lizosetshenziswa kanjani.
We are indeed very grateful for the announcement by the Minister of Finance on Wednesday that over the next 3 years 23 billion will be sourced to support the health sector, largely in terms of the very pressing areas of human resources.
Kuzokwengezwa izisebenzi ezibhedlela nasemtholampilo yakwezinye izindawo.
Not only in terms of the human resources and not only doctors, but it cuts across support staff.
Inkinga yamanzi kanye neyokucishwa kogesi kusazokhulunywa ngazo.
All our hospitals do have reservoirs, but they can only last for a limited period if the water pumps are not functioning from the water storage.
Ungqongqoshe wemfundo eyisisekelo uEnjimoza uthi sekunezinhlelo ezenziwe ezizosiza abafundi nezisebenzi zezemfundo.
We're privileged to have the biggest a cut of the budget where we're able to create more than 850 job opportunities just in the sector, excluding other departments.
Uphinde wengeza ngokuthi usazothola ulwazi olusha mayelana nodaba lokutholelwa kwabafundi izikhala ezikoleni.
I'll be able to get we have a triple M tomorrow and a CM on Thursday, and I'll get the latest on Thursday. But the last time I got reports, it was just dealing with these unworkable places that we had put children in.
Yonke iminyango kazwelonke ilindeleke ukuthi icacise ukuthi izoyisebenzisa kanjani imali yabelwe yona ngonyaka u2023-2024.